Hey guys, today we're going back to 1892. No engines, no computers, just pure chess imagination. You're about to see brilliant ideas and very human decisions under pressure. That's the beauty of classical chess. Let's get into it. Today we are looking at the climax of Game 23 of the World Chess Championship match between Mikhail Chigorin playing white and the legendary first world champion Wilhelm Steinitz playing black. Understand what happens next, you have to understand the stakes. Chigorin is trailing in the match. He absolutely has to win this game to force a tiebreaker. And the crazy thing is, he is winning. He is up a full knight. All he has to do is consolidate his position, defend carefully, and the World Championship dream stays alive. Let's look at the board on move 31. Black has managed to push 2 rooks down to the second rank. This is always dangerous. When 2 rooks infiltrate like this, we call them blind swine because they just eat everything in their path. But Chigorin has a defense. Notice his light squared bishop sitting perfectly on d6. This bishop is the hero of white's position. Not only is it controlling the center, but more importantly, it is looking directly at the h2 pawn, protecting it from the black rook. This is the critical moment of the game, the move that changed chess history forever. Chigorin looks at the board. He sees black's rook on d2 causing problems. He wants to kick it away. He wants to end the game on his terms, so he reaches out, grabs the bishop from d6, and confidently places it on b4. At first glance, this looks completely natural. The bishop attacks the rook. What could go wrong? But Chigorin suffered from what we call chess blindness, in his desire to attack the rook. He completely forgot what the bishop was doing in the first place. The moment the bishop leaves the d6 square, the pawn on h2 is left totally abandoned. Wilhelm Steinitz does not hesitate. He grabs his rook, swoops in, and captures on h2 with a crushing check. Chigorin must have felt his heart drop into his stomach. Chigorin resigned instantly. The reality of the board sets in. King only has one legal square. It is forced to slide over to g1, and it delivers the final blow. The second rook slides across the rank to g2. Checkmate, the king is trapped. The game is over. With this single heartbreaking mistake, he lost the game, and Wilhelm Steinitz retained his title as the world chess champion. So what is the educational takeaway here? Even the greatest players in the world can forget the defensive purpose of their own pieces when they get tunnel vision on an attack. Before you move a piece to attack your opponent, always ask yourself, what was this piece doing before I moved it? Board awareness and defensive resilience are just as important as tactical calculation. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.